In primetime news this evening, uncertainty as FLA workers walk off the job. Prime Minister sends a strong message to extortionists as construction of Spanish Town Hospital is set to begin. And later, 105-year-old man opens up about losing more than $5 million in savings.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the latest business and consumer confidence data, they were released today, so I'll have those details a little later on.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Anthony. Well, following last week's court injunction and intervention by FIFA, it's still unclear as to when exactly the JFF elections will go ahead. We'll have more details in Primetime Sports later.
More drama with the JFF. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, which town do you think is most in need of a new hospital and why?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.